Week 10, Newspapers and Magazines. The imperative is the verb conjugation you use to tell someone to do something. Take the stem of the present tense verb and add a prefix and maybe a suffix. Uktub, uktubi, uktubu. If the stem already includes a prefix to the root, like takallama, no need to add another one. Takallamu is the imperative for entum. You'll learn about the different types of stems later, but I'll just tell you now that the root of takallama does not include the tat. It's kaf, lam, mim. The tat at the beginning is a prefix which gives the verb a slightly different meaning. That's why the prefix is part of the stem and doesn't change with conjugation. These three conjugations of the imperative are not the only ones. There's a list of more in the book. This is a quick review of the noun cases. Nominative is called rafa. It's used for the subjects of sentences and for the predicates of nominal sentences. The Arabic word for subject is mubtada, and the word for predicate is khabar, which also means news. It's giving us the news about the subject. Notice that rafa is not used for all predicates, only for those with no verb. Nasb is used for the direct objects of verbs and for nouns with numbers. Jar is used for the last word in an idafa and after prepositions. There are three words that mean to have. None of these are actually verbs. عندي صف هذا الصباح. I have a class this morning. This one you already know. Li صاحبة. This one is usually used when you're talking about other people like friends and family, but it can also be used for objects. If an object is the one that something belongs to, you have to use li, not عند. For example, li سيارتي أربعة أبواب. When you attach most pronouns to li, the pronunciation changes. لنا أسئلة, we have questions, so not lina, lana. Finally, ma means you have something with you at the moment. معي فلوس, I have money with me. When a person is the object of a verb, instead of using another separate pronoun, the pronoun is attached to the end of the verb in a different form. نحبه, we like him. نحبها, نحبك, نحبهم. So let's see if we can guess which pronouns these last three are. نحبها is for هي. نحبك is for أنت. أنتِ will be ki. نحبهم is hum. There are more of these listed in your book on page 131.